What up, guys? I'm back with my 2005 Subaru Legacy. Today I am going to remove my coil packs and I'm going to install new coil packs. So I decided to go with the originals, so OEM. So I was able to pick these up off of eBay for, I think it was $330 with tax. So I got the 4 of them. And they're pretty self-explanatory how to take them off. Just remember the connector for the front is white and the connector for the back one is black. And I'll show you that when I get them out, but it's like I think it's a 12mm bolt, so I'm gonna just go ahead and pull that. I'm doing it by myself, so I'm just gonna pull them out and I'll show you when I come back. Hey guys, so I got those out and here are the old ones, and it's a good thing I'm doing this. We got some delamination right here. This is the ground, and so that means corrosion it's forming corrosion, and the ground is not going to be as good. So this could be a very good possibility why my car would run really good and then won't run very good. Is sometimes it would get a good ground and sometimes it wouldn't. And here's the other one. And this is what the new ones look like. So pretty much they're identical to the old ones. And so yeah, I'm really pleased with the package and that it was exactly what I ordered. So I'll be leaving them a good comment. And $330. There were cheaper ones on eBay, but I didn't want to go cheap with how important these are. I could have probably got a set of 4 for $120 or something, I think it was. And I didn't want to go with something too cheap, so I went just OEM, got OEM for it. And so yeah, so I'll get those put in and then I'll be starting on the passenger side. Hey guys, I also wanted to show you the connections. So you got the black connection right here and the white connection. So just remember, when you're connecting, the black one goes in the back, the white one goes up front. You really can't mess it up because of the white one is a little longer than the black one, and where the cable comes down in, the wiring harness comes down in, it kind of lines up perfectly, but it is a possibility to hook it up wrong. So just keep that in mind. White in front, black in back. And so yeah. Hey guys, I want to show you them installed. So I got those in. This back one was a bugger. It was a pain to get. So good luck with that one. It's on the driver's side. So to get to the passenger side, I had to take my intake off there, intake. So anyways, it's kind of not as accessible as the driver's side, but it's still possible. So anyways, I'm gonna pull them off, and I'm gonna show you what they look like. And I wonder if I have any more delamination like the other one. So I'll get to that point and I'll show you. All right guys, so I just wanted to show you. So here is the driver's side. As you could tell, the delamination here like I showed earlier. And this one actually doesn't look too bad. And then here's the other side. So this is starting to delam, just like this one over here. And this one too. So this definitely could have been the issue. You can see the corrosion, different stuff starting to penetrate inside here. And so that is definitely can take the bonding away, and the ground will not be a very good ground. As you can tell, like look how much corrosion, how dirty, and it's starting to split compared to the new ones, what the new ones look like. So I am pretty confident that's pretty much my problem with where my power was going. I felt like I did have some air leaks and stuff in there, and so my intake was leaking a little bit, but I think definitely my coil packs needed to be replaced. So anyways, I'm gonna get these back in and I'll fire it up and let's see how it sounds. Hey guys, I wanted to point out, so this is a good example of to remember that white goes in the front and the black one goes in the back, because on the passenger side that comes out like this, you could pull them all the way out. It's not really, you literally could put the white one in the back and the black one up front. And so just keep that in mind, especially just how mine is. I could totally put that and mix it up if I didn't know that the white up front, the black in the back. So just keep that in mind again. And so yeah. All right guys, I just finished up. So I got the new ones installed, and that back one was a bear to get on. So I was trying to do this without jacking the engine up at all. I did a video with me removing or lifting the engine up, so taking the bottom mounts off, just for taking the nuts off, the 14mm nuts, and lifting the engine one side at a time, depending on what side I was working on, to remove it. And I got some flack from some guys in a video, or not in a video, but in a comment, saying that you don't need to do that to change your spark plugs. So I went and was doing it without raising the engine at all. The driver's side worked perfectly. I didn't need to raise the engine. It would have been easier, probably a little bit quicker to raise the engine, but you don't need to loosen those nuts and raise the engine. The passenger side, on the other hand, I could get the forward one in without raising the engine, but the aft one I could not. So I actually had to loosen the nut. All I did is just took the passenger side nut off and laid on my car to push it up with a jack underneath, and that worked. So just giving you a heads up on that. If you're trying to do it without removing that, that would be my suggestion. Also, here they are. Here's all 4 of them. I know I showed you already, but just wanted to show you again. Looks like this one is probably the best one that I have. The rest of them are all delamming. They're all coming apart. So those are definitely toast. If this doesn't fix the problem, definitely we will fix some. And so anyways, if you guys find this video helpful, please leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, and I appreciate you guys for watching. Thanks.